Okay, you guys, here's the two windows we're trying to replace this year. Hopefully we can do it if the weather let us. And yeah, that's one of them. And that's the second one.
Okay, last week I told y'all that Ishmael took these plain white doors down and he put these up. So this week we are taking these windows out and we put new windows up because see that. So that is the frame that he is making for the window. This is the window here. I bought this. We bought this, Ishmael.
It's been a minute, bro.
It's been a long time. I bought this window and come on. We just put it up because it was one of our goals to have these windows done before 2024. So we trying to get all our goals done for 2020 before 2024. So I got two of these windows. I'm gonna show you the outside of this house. Gonna be a lawn. Yeah. Okay, he had to build a frame so the window could go in there because when we took the other windows out, we bought the windows from. We had bought those windows from a thrift store. Did we buy them from the thrift store? Where we buy them from?
The little building place. Yeah, Humane Society.
Humane Society. That's where we bought it from. But they was too big for the window, so we had to take the window casing. Habitat for Humanity. That's where they came from. Okay, we had to take the window casing out. So Ishmael had to build the window casing. And this is like 85% done because he just had to put the molding around the window casing. But look how it look. So good. So when he get finished building all that, put the casing around, then I'll paint it. Then the window goes up in the frame. It goes up in the builder's frame. All right, we partially there. So there is the molding there. So once he put the molding on here like so, then he don't put it in the window. And once he put it in the window, he put the molding on, I'm gonna paint it and then it going in the window. So I'm just gonna have to paint this part. Okay, the window is out. We have took the window out. It took work. It took time. I can't find my stand, so you ain't gonna be able to see us working. But Ishmael is now putting the weather scripting up, and it is December the 30th. So we got one more day before it's the new year. And we can keep all the drama out of our house. But right now the drama is blowing in like the wind. It's a chilly, sunny, pretty day. But yeah, we took the window out early in the morning. Took a minute, but it got took out. So he just putting the weather scripting up right now.
I can take this thing loose.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, this thing ain't.
Okay, the frame is up. So this is the frame. It took us all day to get this up. And that's him doing his last little bit. And the one that's gonna go in. It's been caulked and it's gonna get painted. But right now we just trying to make sure we get everything put up. I can let you go?
Yeah, hold it.
This how dirty it is. I don't
take that thing out and put it on that spray foam so I can start spray foam and stuff.
Alright.
Basically, yeah.
This is Ishmael up in the air. What you putting on?
Huh?
Oh, he put installation. To make sure the window is secure. You done?
Yeah, trying to get all that.
Oh. The other side blowed up.
Yeah, I know, I see it.
You need to go back to that side right there. It don't look like nothing over there.
This?
Look, over here. Right there. At the top up there.
Oh, yeah.
That is him. Putting the frame in. Now he spray foaming. Go all the way to the top, Mill. Yeah, right there. Go up at the top. The spray foam is freezing because it's so cold out here. Okay, I am cooking turnip greens and black eyed peas for the new year. My black eyed peas. So they look so good, so delicious. So this crock pot, honey. I don't got my money worth out this crock pot. I ain't gonna lie to you. I started putting my turnip cream in that crock pot, but I put my black eyed peas in there. And then took out my turnip greens. And then you bring in the happy chicken for the New Year's. So I got 2 whole chickens. Because you're supposed to have 2 whole chickens for the Happy New Year. And then I got chicken on my fry. This chicken on my bake. So yeah, 2 happy chickens. And then fried chicken. Black eyed peas, turnip greens. And I'm going to do my dressing. But I'm going to make them. I'm going to do my dressing. And I'm going to make them some, just some regular old cornbread. But we almost there to the new year. For the window. You know they're a little bit too big. So that's what he's doing. And then we got that. Okay, the new window is in place, but it's not all the way there because Ishmael had to clip some strips for it to make it a little tighter than what it is. But it is in place. It looked great, looked real good. The only one that got to get done now is my bathroom window, my bathroom window, and that will be. All the windows in the house have been brand new after the bathroom window in my room. Then every window in the house is brand new. Okay. The doors, we got 2 more doors to get for the closets, and after that, all the doors in the house will be brand new. But we on window duty. I can't see him, but he put the molding on with the white molding today while I was at work. Boom, boom, and there go the man. Get your ass now, it's too late to be up there. Okay, we got 1 window down and another one to go, but we're gonna concentrate on this one right now. So Ishmael did the outside framing yesterday. But he gotta come in with 1 more piece of molding and then I'm gonna paint it. We're gonna be done with that window. I'm gonna do this window next.
good.